Hey friends, welcome back to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of August the 6th. We're going to organize, clean, and go green. Now let's start with the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. First up, we have the Avenue Cloud Stride Performance Joggers. They come in black, gray, or olive for $9.99. We have the Crane Compression Socks. They come in black, blue, blue, or white, $5.99. We also have the Crane Ladies Platform Slides. They come in black, olive, or white, and they're only $7.99. We have the Lily and Dan's Children's 10-pack socks. There's several different ones to choose from, and they're only $4.99. We have the Sarah Lounge wear set. It comes in navy or rose for $9.99. We have the Sarah Revive joggers. They come in black, green, or white for $12.99. And we have the Visage 3-pack reading glasses. They come in several different designs, and they're only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the toddler sneakers. They come in pink or white for $9.99. Now we're moving right along into the baby, kids, and toy section. First up, we have the the Hinkler Sticker Activity Book. You can choose from dinosaurs, insects and bugs, ocean, or space for only $3.99. We have Hot Wheels Basic Cars, $1.99 each. We have the licensed character potty seat. You can choose from Baby Shark, Bluey, Gabby's Dollhouse, Jurassic World, Minnie Mouse, or Paw Patrol, only $7.99. And we also have the licensed character step stool to match those potty seats, and they're only $7.99 as well. And the last item in this section is Little Town Large Huggable Plush. There are several different animals to choose from, and they're only $9.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. We just have two items here. First up, it's the Huntington Home 3-wick candle. There are three different scents to choose from, and they're only $4.99. We have the Kirkton House Twin XL, perfect for college. Full or queen reversible comforter. It comes in blue, white, or pink, $19.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Ambiano High Velocity Fan. It comes in black or chrome for $39.99. We have the Easy Home Butterfly Drying Rack. It comes in black or white for $24.99. We also have the Easy Home Divided Laundry Basket. You can get white with gray handles or white with sage handles, only $9.99. We have the Easy Home Extendable Soft Duster. You can choose from black or blue for $6.99. We have the Easy Home Extendable Microfiber Duster, black or blue, $6.99. And we have the Easy Home Extendable Scrubber. I want to get that. Comes in black or blue for $6.99. We have the Easy Home Jumbo Broom, $9.99. And the Easy Home Jumbo Mop for $9.99. I have that exact mop, and I do like it. we have the Kirkton House Bamboo Organizer. You can get the bag or wrap organizer for $14.99. We have the Kirkton House Bottle Storage for $12.99. The Kirkton House Drawer Organizer for $12.99. And it does look like there is a divider in the middle that may come out, so that's an extra plus for sure. We have the Kirkton House Desk Letter Tray, comes in clear or iridescent for $7.99. And we have the Kirkton House Magazine Holder, clear or iridescent, $7.99. And we have the Kirkton House Clear Desk Organizer Iridescent Pen Holder for $7.99. We also have the Kirkton House Laundry Assortment. You can get the 2-pack magnetic bin, the clear storage, or the detergent riser for $9.99. We have the Kirkton House Stackable Bamboo Drawer Organizer. It comes in dark brown or natural, $14.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House Under the Sink Organizer for $12.99. Now we're heading into the household items section. We do just have two items here. First up, it is the Boulder Island Scent Trash Bags. You get 20 bags for $3.49. And the other item is the Extra Odor Blasters LLD, $6.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen supply section. First up, we have the Crofton 6-piece adorable food storage set. You can get it with a multicolored lids or white lids, and they're only $8.99. We have the Crofton 3-pack rotating lock container set, $12.99. We have the Crofton bar mop towels. You can choose from brown, white, or gray for $2.99. And we have the Crofton dishcloths, brown and white, $2.99. And we have the Crofton dishcloths. They come in gray for $2.99. We have the Crofton fridge drawer for $9.99. And we have the Crofton fridge oval turntable for $9.99. We have the Crofton fridge liners. You can get it in clear or white for $6.99. We have the Crofton fridge tray can organizer. I have this. I use it all the time, $4.99. We have the Crofton fridge tray, large or small, $4.99. And I have the large, and I use that for my yogurts. I also have this too. It's the Crofton fridge tray egg tray, $4.99. And we have the Joy Handy household helpers. You can choose from rainbow bag ties, yellow broom bands. Friends, when I was doing this, I'm like, what are broom bands? I have no clue what they are. Please let me know. Black everyday scissors, rainbow magnetic bag clips, red magnifying glass, or red retractable knife for only $4.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. We just have two items here. First up, it's the 2.5 Lucky Bamboo, 2.5-inch Lucky Bamboo plant for only $6.49. We have the fresh flower bouquet for $4.99. Now we're heading into the personal care and beauty section. First up, we have the Welby pill box for $4.99. We have the Welby pill planner for $4.99. And friends, I just want to give you a little tip. I know many of you know that my dad is blind. This is the one that he has. And what we have done, we put little sticky dots on the daytime ones, so he knows that that's his morning wind because the dot's on there. And then he leaves it open. He never closes it once he takes it. So he always knows what pills to take. So he's able to take his pills when they get filled without, somebody having to give them to him every day. So I just wanted to give that little tip for anyone that has a relative or family member, something that, doesn't see so well. Just a little tip. Next up, we have the Welby Pill Puncher for $4.99. We have the Welby Pill Splitter Crusher, $6.99. Now we're heading into the school office and art section. First up, we have the Curious Universe Kaleidoscope Coloring Kits, 4 different kits to choose from for only $7.99. We have the Pembroke All Occasion cards. There's many cards to choose from, 99 cents each. That's a great deal, friends. And the next item is the Soul Portable Lap Desk. You can get beige diamond, gray chevron, navy check, or pink flowers for only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Welby Foldable Reacher, $9.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We just have one item here, and it's the Asian Sesame salmon on a cedar plank for $9.99 per pound. Now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. We just have one item here, and it's the Bake Shop Delcia Dulache cookie sandwiches for only $4.99. Now we're heading into the pantry section. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations Crunchy Rice Rolls for $2.49. We have the Earthly Grains Street Food Ready to Serve Rice. You can choose from mango chutney or sweet and sour for $1.49. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations rice noodles. You can choose from brown rice po or white rice ramen, $2.49. We have the Tasty Bite protein bowls. You can choose from Mediterranean or Mexican for $3.65. Next up, we have the Annie Chun's noodle bowl. There are 3 different ones to choose from for $2.98. We have Chef Wu ramen cup. You can get braised beef or roasted chicken for $1.59. We have the Namshim Shin Ramen Tumba. I'm not sure how to say that, friends. $7.95. We have the Bachen's Japanese barbecue sauce. You can get hella hot or roasted garlic for only $7.98. We have the Berman's wok sauce. Three different sauces to choose from, only $2.89. And the last item in this section is the Fourth and Heart G. You can choose from Himalayan salt or garlic for $9.99. Now we're heading into the dairy and deli section. First up, we have Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen Buffalo Chicken Dip Deli Pizza. Oh, chicken dip deli pizza, $6.99. Next up, we have the soup peas chicken. You can choose from the coconut curry or the tiki masala for only $9.79. And the last item in this section is the Take Home Korean Barbecue Beef Meal Kit for $9.99. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations Mandu Dumplings. You can choose from beef or chicken for $6.89. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration Steamed Dumplings, chicken or pork, $3.39. We have the Fuchsia Asians Inspirations Ragoons. They have crab or cream cheese for $3.69. We have the Asian Inspirations Mini Wontons. You can choose from pork or chicken, $6.89. Oh my goodness, friends, I'm getting tongue tied. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration Spring Rolls, shrimp or veggie, $4.89. And we have the Fuchsia Asians Inspirations Beef and broccoli or beef lo mein, $5.99. We have the Fuchsia Asians Inspiration Shrimp. You can get shrimp fried rice or shrimp lo mein, $4.99. We have the Fuchsia Asians Inspirations Chicken Skillet. You can choose from sweet teriyaki chicken or sesame ginger chicken, $5.99. And we have the Fuchsia Asians Inspiration Sweet and Sour Chicken for $7.49. Oh my goodness, thank goodness we're out of that. Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen Korean bulgogi pizza, $4.99. We have the My Mochi Sorbet Mochi Ice Cream. You can choose from peach, mango, or raspberry for $4.95. Now we're heading into the very last section, which is our beverage section. First up, we have the Bolt House Farm Super Smoothie. You can choose from strawberry dragon fruit or tropical power, $2.49. We have the Welch's Tropical Variety 24 pack, only $14.89. We have the Alani New Energy Blue Slush, $2.49. And the last item for today is the Propel Fitness Water 12 pack. You can choose from berry, grape, or kiwi strawberry. And I can tell you, we get all of them, and my son loves all three, $9.98. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantity sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.